Hi, my name is Lee Diallo and I'm with Shape My Grip. The idea behind Shape My Grip came about while trying to find comfort in my standard 15, 16, 7/8 inch diameter road bike handlebars. I liked some of the design that I found on more expensive bars, the ergonomic shape in them, and I wanted to get that comfort in my standard handlebars. What I liked about the other handlebars is they gave a more ergonomic feel while your hand is on the bar top. It created more of an oval shape versus a round shape. It fits your palm a bit better. What Shape My Grip has done is it allowed you to do this by placing our grips on the bar and creating that flat spot oval design at a considerably less cost. It allows adjustability of the grip while it's on the bar before installation. Installation is real simple. The bar top grip fits around the bar. There's a channel going through it for your cables, so there's no need to remove any cables. It's further secured with a supplied double-sided adhesive tape. The Curve is a second Shape My Grip product. It's designed to fit on what we call the drops on the bar. It adds more security for your hand position, and you know exactly where your hand is at all times. Shape My Grip products will fit your standard round 15, 16, 7/8 inch diameter gravel grinder, road bike, cyclocross, or track bike bars. Shape My Grip offers its own brand of bar tape. It's non-slip in all conditions, has a very grippy feel, helps reduce road vibration, and it wraps very well with our grip products. All Shape My Grip products are designed to be wrapped under bar tape. For more information, to watch an easy installation video, or to place an order, please visit our website at shapemygrip.com.